Well, cannabis continues its rise in popularity as more states legalize its use either as a medical or recreational drug. Tomorrow in Desert Hot Springs, the Coachella Valley Cannabis Alliance Network is presenting a public event called CBD and Cannabis Education for Wellness. I spoke today about it with the founder of Holistic Caring, Elizabeth Mack, and the founder of The Green Nurse, Sherry Mack. Elizabeth and Sherry, tell us about tomorrow's event.
Well, hi, thank you for the invitation. And yes, it's going to be a CBD and cannabis education event for the public hosted by CVCANN, the Coachella Valley Cannabis Alliance Network, DHS's nonprofit of the year for 2023. And we are very excited to bring this to the public so that we can teach them about how CBD and cannabis works as medicine.
We're very, very excited about this because the American Nurses Association, which represents 5 million nurses, just made an announcement that they approved cannabis nursing as a specialty. So we are really, really excited to bring that education to the forefront to educate the public on safe consumption and how to use cannabis effectively as a medicine.
So why is this event so important, and what are some of the topics that you'll be including?
Well, yeah, people are making great medicines, people are selling great medicines, but nobody interprets how to use cannabis and CBD as a medicine holistically for patients, and that's what we do. And so, we know Desert Hot Springs, where we are, is sometimes called Desert Hot Springs. And really, it's all about regrounding us. And this has been a medicine for 10,000 years, right? And now we're bringing that into the forefront of how to integrate this into your healthcare.
And therapeutic use of cannabis has been defined as the use of cannabis products for medicine, wellness, and holistic uses.
It's interesting. I think when most people hear the word cannabis, they think of THC. They think of the type of cannabis that will get you high. But CBD is very different and is now being used medicinally.
Yeah, correct. So CBD works on about 70 targets in the body. THC targets both cannabinoid receptors, CB1 and CB2. And if you join us tomorrow, you'll learn about those. But honestly, THC is, when we talk about recreation versus medicine versus a botanical supplement, that's the other thing that we're going to go through, because cannabis is all three of them, right? And it just matters on how you unpack it and what product choices you use and what dosing combinations you use and what your intentions are. And we teach people how to approach this as a wellness option, as a recreational option, and as a pharmaceutical option, because Marinol and Epidiolex are both made by FDA-approved pharmaceuticals into the healthcare, and they are cannabis, right? So we're just beginning to scratch the surface on really how to use it for everything.
Are you seeing more people with medical conditions turning to cannabis to help treat their symptoms?
Yes, we are, because the conventional system has been broken for a very long time. And so we're seeing patients that come to us that want to bridge the gap from what pharmaceuticals don't provide. We're seeing patients come to us that want to reduce their reliance on pharmaceuticals. And we're seeing patients that want to just have a better day, want to live their best lives and just feel good. And they can do that without being high.
It is certainly an interesting topic. Anything else either of you ladies would like to say about tomorrow's event and what people need to know who would like to attend before we let you go?
Well, sure. It's at Miracle Springs on Palm Drive in Desert Hot Springs. It's broadcast. We will be taping it, so it will be on the Coachella Valley Cannabis Alliance Network website if somebody can't make it. There's going to be lots of sponsors and dispensary partners and other community supporters in the audience and representing, as well as all of the board. I would love for this to really be the groundbreaking of a new partnership in the community and the cannabis industry, and healthcare professionals. They're all invited as well. So please join us.
And it's from 5 to 8 p.m. tomorrow.
Yes.
Elizabeth and Sherry, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.